In India, Masala Chai is more than a drink. From the roadside kiosks to family gatherings and long train journeys, a day doesn't go by without a cup of chai. When it comes to the brew, each chaiwala has their own recipe. Tulsi, saffron and malai. This is Ramesh's secret recipe. His customers have been coming here for years. Afternoon break, catching up with old friends, sharing stories. They know that Ramesh's stall is the best spot in town. For every cup of chai carries more than just flavor. It's a vessel for connections, memories, and traditions passed through generations.